and another beautiful episode, another beautiful story of real life, जहाँ पे हम एक यात्रा समझते हैं कि हम किस तरह से अपनी जर्नी को क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। मैं वेलकम करना चाहूँगी, वेरी वेरी वार्म वेलकम केतकी। इवन दो व्हेन वी हैव challenges and pains in life,
Shattered by this incident. I thought the world has ended for me. Now I can't go on.
तो आपने उस बच्चे को बहुत प्यारे तरीके से इकट्ठे पाला एंड
I didn't want to face the world. I didn't want to face the future.
उस समय वो जीवन छोड़ना चाहती थी और जीवन कह रहा था कि मैं तुझे नहीं छोड़ूंगा।
Like this was impossible.
I still remember people pushing you that leave him, let others take care of him. The karma, it comes in packages. It comes in.
It is my karma. I had to do it. Get what you desire. What is best for you.
Jai Shri Krishna, very warm welcome. And another beautiful episode, another beautiful story of real life, जहाँ पे हम एक यात्रा समझते हैं कि हम किस तरह से अपनी जर्नी को क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, even though when we have challenges and pains in life. तो आज एक बहुत प्यारी सोल मैं वेलकम करना चाहूँगी, वेरी वेरी वार्म वेलकम केतकी। कौन हो, कहाँ से हो?
जय श्री कृष्ण। नमस्ते माँ। तो मैं केतकी हूँ, मैं बॉम्बे से हूँ। मैंने वूम कम्युनिटी आई थिंक 2 years से आई एम कनेक्टेड टू वूम कम्युनिटी इन रिचामा।
सो केतकी इस जर्नी में कैसे आए? मतलब व्हाट वाज द journey behind becoming a healer? Was it by choice? Was it pushed, forced, or something?
So, the people I've come across, whoever I've come across who is in Boom community, whoever I've spoken to, they all by choice they were like they were really happy and by choice they joined Boom community. Whereas for me it was different. I was like pushed with love from one of my friend. She said no, there was an incident which happened with me, and I was completely shattered. And my friend, she couldn't see me crying every day, so she asked me to speak to you. And one day I got a call from you, and I spoke to you for very long. And फिर I got connected with you, and then she said you're connected with Richama, you join this community, you do DNA with Richama. And this was it, that I joined Boom community. I did my 5D healing, then I did my advanced, then I did my sound healing with you.
So would you like to share that incident which made you choose the path of a healer? क्योंकि हमेशा हम सोचते हैं कि भाई लाइफ में बस एक तकलीफ ख़त्म हो जाए और बस उसके लिए एक जर्नी को ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं। आपके केस में ऐसा क्या था?
माँ ऐसे कैसे था? आई वॉज वी वर वेरी हैप्पी फैमिली, मी माई हस्बैंड एंड माई सन. ऐसे भी आई वॉज नेवर अनहैप्पी, काइंड ऑफ लाइक हैप्पी कुछ भी था. आई वॉज प्रोटेक्टेड बाई माई हस्बैंड in everything. I was protected by him. So एक बड़ा pain I have not I have never encountered. Though I lost my father also at a very young age. I was just 6 months, but वो मुझे कुछ pain याद नहीं है. So I was never and I never encountered a big pain. And then one day my husband got a heart attack, and he was not with us. And achanak se my world was shattered. I was into pieces. I thought I won't be able to regain myself. And I went into deep depression. I was not myself. I used to continuously be sad, depressed, crying. And I thought I couldn't take my life forward. I thought I should end my life. That was the thing. But I have my son to take care of, and many people used to just tell me, you are not alone, you have your son to take care. But that also was not touching me. I was that shattered by this incident. I thought the world has ended for me. Now I can't go on. So this happened when I spoke to you. I got a light. I said, okay. I thought you have a lot of answers for me. So I was like, I used to keep telling you, Ma, I want to meet. I want to speak to. I want to know where that person is. All those questions which don't have answers, but I thought you are a boat where I can hold that boat, and I want to sail.
Yeah, I completely get when you lose something very very precious, what if
Very
precious, or
precious.
maybe the whole, I think you had, because you already have a special child, तो
Yeah,
आपने और अपने पार्टनर ने मिलके उस स्पेशल चाइल्ड को बहुत
yeah,
ब्यूटीफुली रेज्ड, एंड ही नो 7 or 8 लैंग्वेजेस ऑल्सो.
same.
तो
Yeah,
आपने उस बच्चे को बहुत प्यारे तरीके से इकट्ठे पाला, एंड एट दैट पॉइंट इन टाइम दैट योर ओन स्पेशल चाइल्ड वाज आल्सो नॉट लाइक, आप देख ही नहीं पा रहे थे, एंड यू वर सो मच इनटू, नहीं मुझे बस एक बार बात करवा दो, वेयर इज ही, आई डोंट वांट टू लिव एनी मोर.
yeah,
एंड यहाँ पे मैं बहुत सारे व्यूअर्स को एक चीज़ बताना चाहती हूँ, दैट द कर्मा, इट कम्स इन पैकेजेस, इट कम्स इन बिट्स एंड पीसेस. जहाँ केतकी ने समझ लिया था कि मेरी पूरी लाइफ ही मेरा पार्टनर है, बस क्योंकि उसको वो लव, कभी उसको एक मैस्कुलिन लव सिर्फ पार्टनर से ही मिला, बिकॉज शी नेवर मेट हर फादर, शी डिडंट नो. एंड ह्यूमंस के साथ ये सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज होता है, जिस लव को वो एनकाउंटर कर लेते हैं ना, उसके पेन को उसके पेन की, उसकी पेन भी उतनी ही होती है. लाइक द अमाउंट ऑफ लव यू रिसीव फ्रॉम द पर्सन इज इक्वल एंड ऑपोजिट अमाउंट ऑफ pain you receive from the same person, because you believe that you cannot live anymore without that person. And Ketki was no less. As a human, she felt कि उसका पार्टनर नहीं गया, उसकी पूरी दुनिया चली गई, एंड what
yeah,
was left was nothing in her hands. And that is where the pain and the journey of healer began. क्योंकि मैं हमेशा डीएनए में भी वैसे भी बोलती हूँ, जब पेन का समय आता है तो आपके रीबर्थ का समय आता है, जब पेन का समय आता है तो आपके कर्म के संपूर्ण होने का समय आता है, नए जन्म का समय आता है, नए बीज के रोपण का समय आता है, और उस समय मनुष्य इतना कमजोर हो जाता है, despite all the emotions, that one emotion becomes so prominent
so
that you
true.
deny your own truth, you deny your own rebirth. And Ketki was no less in rebirthing. So she was pushed into the journey by her own soul through people around in her life to join the community. And then, how did your healer journey with your child? क्योंकि एक पॉइंट आ गया था जहां आपको अपने बच्चे से भी इच्छा नहीं करती थी. यू वर लाइक, ठीक है सब कुछ है, बट लेट मी क्राई ऑल्सो, डोंट डिस्टर्ब मी. So you were even ignoring the needs, that you wanted to cry and mourn for the person, that you were not interested in any other thing, even your
Yeah.
child's basic needs and everything. So
Yeah, so Ma, I'll tell you, though Nirvan was a special child, my husband made me understand that we are blessed to have him. So
yeah,
that direction changed completely, and we used to think we are the happiest parents. इससे better तो कोई हो ही नहीं सकता था, Nirvan से
yeah.
better. So itna we were involved, as you said, we raised him very with a lot of
Beautiful.
love. And जब ये इंसिडेंट हुआ तब आई थॉट कि दैट आई डेंट प्रोवाइड हिम द बेसिक नीड्स ऑल्सो. मैं उसके खाने
Mm,
पीने की कोई भी देखना ही नहीं चाह रही थी. आई वॉज कम्प्लीटली इन माई वर्ल्ड. जस्ट आई डोंट नो, आई वॉज इन अ ककून. I didn't want to face the world. I didn't want to face the future. I didn't want to,
mm,
because everything I could see was darkness. मुझे लगता था कि
mm,
मेरे पास कोई लाइट नहीं है. आई एम इन अ डार्क एंड आई डोंट वांट टू कम आउट. हाउ विल आई face the future, face the world without him?
mm,
So I was so
mm,
sheltered, so protected. But then, as I told you, Ma, jaise I got a hand holding from this community, Ma.
mm,
I remember the first trip which I came with you all. It was Rishikesh, and it was such a beautiful trip. I was like hesitant because there are many reactions I get for Nirvan, and
mm,
till some extent I can handle them. Then I will get very upset because I feel कि मेरे बच्चे के लिए क्यों ऐसे लोग सोच रहे हैं, and which is helpless. He is doing his best in his body, but फिर भी
yeah.
लोग उसको नहीं समझ पाते. So
Mm,
like when I came to that picnic for that retreat, I got so much support from everybody, and it was such a. I felt like a. I felt the warmth. I felt like a
mm,
community, real community, where everybody was taken care of. Though we
yeah.
had met for the first time, we like everybody was nice to me, and everybody came to me to appreciate. Okay, you are a great mother. You're doing so much. So instead of looking differently at Nirvan, people appreciated me. So that even gave me a warmth, like, okay, I'm welcomed here. And even
Yeah.
Nirvan liked everybody there. Nirvan made so
Yeah.
many friends. So
Yes.
till today, when we say retreat, more than me, he is excited to come because he feels so and so is coming, so and so is coming, so and so is coming. And जब जैसे मैं रिट्रीट्स जाती गई माँ आपके साथ, ऐसे भी होता था कि आई यूज टू बी इन निर्वाण, अकेले भी ट्रैवल कर लेता था बिकॉज आजू बाजू के सब लोग उसको पहचानते थे, दे विल मैनेज हिम, दे कुड मैनेज हिम विदाउट मी. एंड निर्वाण
Yes.
वाज आल्सो ओके
And
कंफर्टेबल विद
I still remember people pushing you that leave him, let others take
यस
care of him. And
यस
that is like what made you from a community to a family, that कि हाँ ये खाली
ये
community नहीं, एक family है जहाँ मेरा बच्चा मेरे बिना भी he's taken care, welcomed, appreciated, loved, cared, given everything what a family can give a child. So
या
I really remember the Nainital retreat where everybody was taking care of Nirvan, trekkings and all that stuff. It was so
या
beautiful.
that incident, I always tell people that Mahavatar Baba cave ka jo that climbing that
Hill,
trek, that mountain tha, it was impossible. I
possible,
said I
yeah.
just with my sandals, वो भी मेरे टूट गए थे, and somebody you said इनसे ले लो. I borrowed my sandals from a people who were living in that below the mountain, वो जो रह
Village,
रहे थे
yeah.
उनसे, हाँ उनसे मैंने मेरे चप्पल बोरो किए, उनके चप्पल बोरो करके मैंने ऊपर गए, and
चढ़ाई
I
की.
couldn't manage it with me. एंड रुद्र हेल्प निर्वाण. एंड आपने मुझे अभी भी याद है, आपने मुझे बोला कि रुद्र देख लेगा निर्वाण को, और रुद्र आज शूटिंग नहीं करना है, आप खाली निर्वाण को देखो. सो आई
Yeah.
स्टिल टेल पीपल कि वहां की कोई शूट नहीं होगी बिकॉज द रुद्र ने पूरा निर्वाण को, एंड
Yeah.
चढ़ा तो दिया, उतारना वो सो डिफिकल्ट
A
बिकॉज ही
bigger
वॉज फॉलिंग.
project.
एंड he held him ulta, he was climbing down ulta and nirvana on his chest. So
Just, yeah.
this is a family, man, and this doesn't happen anywhere. So I still
Yeah.
cite this example to many people. Like this
Yeah.
was impossible. I felt like a family, like somebody of my own taking care of Nirvan.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And
Even there was one more person who was elderly, Aarti ji, and
हाँ
there was one more person, one more community member, Manju, who took care of
हाँ
her, took her to the
आरती
hill,
जी,
though
yeah,
her knee was so everybody in the community is so warm, as if it is your first family, not the second family. कई लोग
yes
ऐसा
ma,
सोचते हैं कि हम एक community है तो हमारी first family नहीं है. We make sure that we are the first family together when we are as a spiritual people. So
and
I see the happiness and the joy in Nirvan's face now. So
yeah.
beautiful. He
Yeah, and one
blossomed.
more incident, ma, like खाना खा रहे थे तो निर्वाण always sits next to me. So one day Alpana ji made him sit. आप अलग बैठो, आपने बोला Alpana will take care. So he ate properly. I was like alone chit chatting with others, and Nirvan was taken care by Alpana. So like many incidences, ma,
Incidents.
small. Each and every person I have an incident with. Everybody has taken care of.
Yeah, and I think that has tied a better and a beautiful thread between you and the community. That every time you look forward for coming back in the community. Yeah, I recall that. So Ketki, this journey from being your own pain, your own challenge to becoming a healer, how was it? How, like, today you have become a healer. How much do you understand the pain? How much do you understand the importance of healing now?
Uh,
Because आप तो जब धक्का लगा था तो आप तो खुद ही अपने हिसाब से you were not ready for the journey also. You were
yeah.
prepared for the journey as well. So there were two things happening. Many people don't realize this. When you feel that everything is torn apart, there's nothing left in your hand. That is when you're polished the most by the universe. And Ketki is the same live example in Vogue community. कि उस समय वो जीवन छोड़ना चाहती थी और जीवन कह रहा था कि मैं तुझे नहीं छोड़ूंगा. Somebody came into her life to make her, to create her, to mold her, to shift her, to make her realize, to wake her up that see something else is happening, you're going in some other direction. And Ketki rose from that. So this karmic pain she was going through, where she had to learn how to take care of her own child, special child, build that bond between herself and that child. Because earlier it was a partnership between her husband, her and her child. Now she was left alone, where there's no desire to live. There is only wanting to leave, but there is an incomplete karma. तो उस कर्मा को हम कैसे पूरा करें, ये पीड़ा भी हमारे अंदर बहुत होती है. या मैं क्यों करूं, क्यों, why should I do when I have nothing? The universe has taken everything away from me. But in this darkness, we do not realize that now the karma left is my karma, and if I run away from this karma, this would not be right on my part.
Yeah.
So केतकी, तुमने आज जो एक पेन की जर्नी की, तुम हीलिंग को, व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ हीलिंग इन योर लाइफ नाउ?
जैसे आई टेल यू हीलिंग मेरे आई लर्न आई ग्रू अ
हम्म।
लॉट आफ्टर दिस। लाइक मुझे एक पता चला कि दैट लव इंटेंट heals everything. Whatever pain is, that love part portion, the love intent heals, and healing our this 5D healing and whatever I've learned is all about love. और
हम्म।
मैंने पर्सनल लाइफ में भी यही जाना कि लाइक द मोर आई वाज देन आई started realizing it is my karma, I have to do it. And
हम्म।
then I started realizing I grew a lot. मेरा
हम्म।
relation with Nirvan also started building. I
हम्म।
realized it, I have to do it and I have to finish it. तो acceptance
हम्म।
जो माँ आई, सो आई दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव लर्नड। एक क्लैरिटी माँ मैंने बहुत ये जर्नी में सीखी, एक्सेप्टेंस बहुत सीखा, एंड ये समझा कि दिस लव ऑपरेट्स एवरीथिंग, मतलब हर चीज को चेंज कर देगा लव। सो आई एक्सपीरियंस द फर्स्ट टाइम वो मैंने निर्वाण के साथ, जैसे आवर रिलेशनशिप टर्न्ड अराउंड, लाइक नाउ we both are enough for each other, though we have Dhaval everywhere with us, like but
Yeah.
he I now am confident माँ कि मैं उसको देख लूंगी, I will be able to handle him. I know
हम्म।
him by just talking to him in a loved manner. हम
हम्म।
सारा with that love thing it has changed माँ। एंड
हम्म।
सिमिलरली मैंने देखा कि जो मेरी पेन है वैसी ही बहुत पेन मेरे को दिखाई देने लगी, मुझे एनजाइटी दिखाई देने लगी जो मुझे तब तक दिखाई नहीं देती थी माँ।
हम्म।
इवन विद किड्स, निर्वाण एज के किड्स की भी मुझे एंजाइटी दिखाई देने लगी, मुझे निर्वाण की भी
हम्म।
नहीं दिखाई देती थी, मुझे लगता था ही इज अ स्पेशल चाइल्ड, ब्रेन में वायर्स आर डिफरेंटली वायर्ड, कुछ होता
हम्म।
रहेगा तो निर्वाण के हाथ हिलते रहते थे, बहुत सारा ऐसा एंजाइटी था उसमें जो मुझे दिखाई नहीं
हम्म।
देता था, मुझे लगता था दिस इज इट, बट अभी बाद में मुझे सब दिखाई देने लगा, एंड इट यूज टू आई यूज टू फील कि मुझे पेन, if I can help that pain जो मुझे मिला हेल्प, I want to help. So
हम्म।
in this way माँ मेरे को I feel कि um, I really value now healing
हम्म।
because it came to me and I really
Yeah.
really benefited
I
from it.
think in your case, the healing chose you than you chose healing. So the healing made you that listen, you have to come, Ketki. You have no other
Yeah,
option
ma,
but.
it was like मैंने before that healing was never in my mind also, कभी नहीं
Yeah.
सोचा था मैंने। और इसके बाद when I was pushed तो धीरे 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 it started changing me, I started changing, I started growing। तो माँ बहुत चेंजेस आए, लाइक मुझे
Oh.
मेरा ग्रोथ अभी दिखाई देता है कि लाइक आई हैव ग्रोन अ लॉट फ्रॉम वेयर आई
Yeah.
वाज टू वेयर आई एम स्टिल ग्रोइंग माँ, आई हैव टू स्टिल
ऑफ
डू,
कोर्स द ट्री
आई हैव
ट्री
टू
देखो,
स्टिल
अगर
लर्न अ
कोई
लॉट।
पेड़, अगर कोई पेड़ 2 लाख साल का हो जाएगा तो ऑफ कोर्स वो ग्रो ही कर रहा है। देयर इज अ ट्री
या
है, आई हैव अ पिक्चर ऑफ इट। इट इज 2 लाख ईयर्स ओल्ड एंड इट इज
हाँ
सो
हाँ
ह्यूज. Huh, it is so huge. There was an article published, and I clicked the picture and kept it because I felt that we always think the still tree is still growing. It cannot stop, but the roots might be for a very longer space. Maybe we won't be able to see the upper growth, but internally it's still growing. तो ये जो पार्ट होता है ना कि आप एक पॉइंट के बाद आप एक्सटर्नली ग्रो कर जाते हो, फिर आप सिर्फ इंटरनली बढ़ते चले जाते हो। तो
हम्म,
ये एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी का, कार्मिक जर्नी का, कि जब आपके आउटर कर्मस खत्म हो जाते हैं तो फिर आपके पास सिर्फ इनर डेप्थ तक, जहां तक आप जा सकते हैं, टिल द
हम्म,
इनफाइनाइट स्पेस। तो
हम्म,
केतकी, आज आप जब लोगों की हेल्प करते हो, हीलिंग करते हो, बिकॉज आपके ऊपर लाइफ ने ऐसे सब चीजें अचानक से फेंक दी, विच वॉज लाइक अ सरप्राइज, लाइक ऑल ऑफ अ सडन टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर स्पेशल चाइल्ड ऑल अलोन बाय योर सेल्फ, taking care of yourself also, because you were not a person who was taking care of
yeah,
yourself, your partner
yeah,
was always there. Then all of a sudden there was a very big business left for you, which you did not know anything about, so learning that, and like एक आदमी जब टूटा हुआ होता है तो उसको बच्चा संभालना, बिजनेस संभालना, अपने आप को संभालना इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो फॉर यू, you opened that and today you are running a business also successfully. तो आज जब आप किसी की लाइफ में हीलिंग करते हो क्लाइंट्स के लिए,
हम्म।
व्हाट इज द व्हाट इज योर एम व्हेन यू हील? मतलब क्या एजेंडा होता है आपके माइंड में, बैकग्राउंड में?
मुझे यही लगता है कि वो पर्सन को जो चाहिए वो मिल जाए, वो एटलीस्ट सम खुशी देख ले, एंड उसको वो पाथ पे चला जाए जहाँ उसको चलना है, जैसे मुझे वो पाथ मिला, उसको भी वो पाथ मिल जाए जहाँ वो चलने लगे, एंड ही स्टार्ट्स ग्रोइंग एंड ही स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग दैट व्हाट ही इज विशिंग फॉर,
या.
व्हाट ही इज डिजायरिंग। तो वो मेरा
या.
बहुत इंटेंट रहता है हमेशा व्हेन आई हील, एंड
या.
आई वुड लाइक टू, या
Yeah,
I was
please.
I would like to share जैसे मैंने I used to not do healing माँ because मेरे प्लेट पे ऑलरेडी बहुत था लाइक निर्वाण बिजनेस मुझे हमेशा लोग बोलते थे कि तू कर पाएगी हीलिंग कर सो आई सेड नो आई एम डूइंग इट फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड निर्वाण आई डोंट वांट टू अभी तक आई एम नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट टू डू इट आउटसाइड बट देन माँ जब साउंड हीलिंग किया तो एज अ वो एक यही था करिकुलम ही था कि वो साइमल्टेनियसली हमको हीलिंग करनी थी एंड दैट टाइम माय जर्नी स्टार्टेड सो आई स्टार्टेड हीलिंग and I started getting feedbacks from people which was really amazing like I thought oh I am able to do some difference in their life or some I'm able to give something in their life so
Hmm.
that really I loved it that part.
And I think you got your first paycheck also from healing, and that is
Yeah.
when the journey was so happy for you that when I never thought it like this, and somebody gave you money, and I remember she giving me that money, and I said, "This is your money. It's your hard work. It's your real this thing that no, ma, because you kept on pushing me, I chose this."
Yes, ma.
So
It
I'm
you.
very glad.
I thought that money first, my first paycheck. I thought you deserve it, ma. So I had got it for you only
I still have
because
that
that
money with
confidence you
myself.
built in me, that way you gave me, and by that way I could help. I could make some difference in some people's life.
Yeah, of course, there's a lot you will do in people's life, but your journey has just began by helping. So, Ketki, now you're a very different person. I still remember that Ketki, who in the DNA sessions would cry and all the time, बस क्यों हुआ मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों हुआ? That was the only agenda in the background. But today she's a different Ketki who's ready to take her responsibilities, to fly, do more, has that confidence that she will always be taken care of. Where she was in a shattered mode कि पता नहीं अब क्या होगा, कैसे लाइफ चलेगी, because already she has a mother who lost her husband at a very young age, and Ketki was no less. Ketki also lost her partner at a very young age, तो एक सिमिलर पैटर्न रिपीट होता दिख रहा था. और Ketki's mother has brought Ketki up very well, but again a special child in Ketki's life, so things were like very very challenging, and now she has started understanding. सो केतकी, कोई ऐसा केस जो आपने हील किया हो और जो आपके दिल के भी बहुत करीब हो?
हाँ, ऐसे बहुत सारे केसेस में मुझे अप्रिसिएशन मिला कि आई रियली लाइक जैसे किसी के पैर दुख रहे थे तो उन्होंने बोला मुझे बहुत फर्क लग रहा है लाइक आई एम रियली फीलिंग नाइस आई स्लेप्ट वेल किसी ने बोला बट देयर वाज
हम्म.
वन केस स्टडी माँ जैसे कि शी केम टू मी एंड आई डिड हर साउंड हीलिंग एंड then after 2 days I get a call from her saying that I'm extremely happy, thank you so much. So I said what happened? So she said I after 11 years I could buy gold and I could buy clothes for myself. But she said that from years I've been earning for my family and मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मैं खुद के लिए कुछ करूं. Whereas I loved gold, I always thought of buying कि gold मुझे लेना है. But she said that that day I don't know what happened. She said I had a broken chain. I went, I got it replaced. I got another chain. I got another bracelet from it. I got little money also saved from it, and from that I bought clothes. She said, "I'm so happy right now." So, so it was very. I was very thrilled that she said, "Kiki, I give that gratitude to you." I said, "No, it is your manifestation which you manifested, and you did it with real good heart. So it has happened." And I said, so it was really touching.
Yeah, I understand that how it works, that we realize this, that हम किसी की लाइफ में इतने मिरेकल्स भी कर सकते हैं कि वो छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के लिए जो कभी उन्होंने सोचा, 11 साल इज़ अ लॉन्ग पीरियड जहाँ आदमी या तो
Yeah,
ये
long
मान लेता
period.
है कि मेरी डेस्टिनी में नहीं है, मुझे मिलेगा
Yeah.
ही नहीं. एंड that's a miracle, marvelous, मतलब इसको बोलते हैं,
So
इट्स
she
लाइक
said I was always doing it for my family. I could never do it for myself. So first time I've done something for myself. So ma there I could see self love, which I always used
या.
to ask you, ma self love कब आएगा मेरे में?
आई नो. तो केत की इस जर्नी में अगर कोई आज आपका पॉडकास्ट सुन रहा है, तो व्हाट आर द फ्यू थिंग्स यू वुड लाइक टू, लाइक यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ केस स्टडीज, यू हेल्प मेनी पीपल. और यहाँ पे मैं अपने व्यूअर्स को एक चीज़ और बताना चाहूँगी. वूम कम्युनिटी हैज़ ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड इज ऑन अ मिशन वेयर वी हेल्प पीपल come to our free sessions. So if you're the one who's looking for a free session, we are in certain cities. वो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में पढ़ लीजिएगा कौन सी सिटीज में है. तो अगर आप वहाँ हमारा 1 hour का फ्री हीलिंग सेशन एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहते हैं तो our 5D mystics are there to help you. So you can come and join and experience how a free healing session is. And if you feel that this journey is calling you, then it is definitely calling you in some way or the other. Don't wait to be pushed, just join us. Yeah,
Yeah,
Ketki. So continuing the conversation कि तुम अगर आज इस podcast को सुन मतलब anybody listens to it, what are a few things or maybe two things, I don't know, whatever you would like to share from your journey, because I believe always in what you've understood, what you've experienced is what you believe in, otherwise you do not believe in. So what are a few things you would like to people to take away from this session today?
so Ma, I everything is related to some of the other words which I have remembered of yours. So जैसे आप हमेशा बोलते हो कि यूनिवर्स एक वाइब्रेशन पे it is vibrating on a so there are emotions which are positive and negative. So both emotions create. So I feel instead of going in that negative or shock emotion or whatever negative emotion, like I was at, and I was only attracting fear. So I feel that fear, though it's like a gift. If you don't want to accept it, say no. So say no to fear and just trust and accept the situation, trust and vibrate on a positive thing so that you get what you desire, what is best for you.
आई एग्री कम्प्लीटली. और सबसे बड़ी बात है, यूनिवर्स आप कितना भी नेगेटिव में भी चले जाएंगे ना, तो किसी ना किसी तरह से, क्योंकि मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ यूनिवर्स पोलैरिटीज में काम करता है. अब जैसे केतकी के केस में शी हैड गॉन सो नेगेटिव एंड शी वाज पुल्ड बाय द एक्सट्रीम पॉजिटिविटी, बट यू विल बी पुल्ड. बट कीप एन आई दैट व्हेन समथिंग इज पुलिंग यू, यू आर ऑल्सो रेडी टू गिव योर हैंड, नॉट ब्रेक योर हैंड. क्योंकि यूनिवर्स आपको बार बार अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है. यूनिवर्स पेन हमारा माइंड क्रिएट करता है, पॉजिटिव इमोशन, नेगेटिव इमोशन. अगर आप जीवन के किसी नेगेटिव इमोशन में भी फंसे हुए हैं ना, उसका ऑपोजिट पॉजिटिव होता है. सो जस्ट थिंक, टेक अ सेकेंड, टेक अ पॉज, आस्क योर सेल्फ व्हाट इज द पॉजिटिव ऑफ इट. दिस एग्जैक्ट सिचुएशन, इस एग्जैक्ट सिचुएशन का बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट क्या होगा, आप उसको पकड़ लीजिए एंड सी हाउ द यूनिवर्स विल ब्यूटिफुली हेल्प यू कम आउट ऑफ इट.
Yeah.
And Ketki was no
It,
less. Ketki was the extreme negative, extreme pain, and universe said, "Let me give you the extreme love, extreme uh, appreciation towards and acknowledgement towards your life." And today she is this blossoming girl who used to think, my life is ended, and today she is helping others open new dimensions.
so of course this journey wouldn't have been complete without your hand holding. I always feel that I have you besides me. So kuch bhi hai, I will like come and even I remember last retreat also I had something in your mind. I came to you, Ma, ye what this, and you said don't worry, and I go back with that positive thing, then I start again.
आई थिंक
So that
जिंदगी में ना केतकी, आई थिंक सबके पास सब कुछ होता है, पर हर एक के पास ना एक चीज नहीं होती है, कि कोई ऐसा व्यक्ति जिसके पास वो जाके वापस आए तो उनको फिर भी पता होगा कि ये व्यक्ति रहेगा मेरी लाइफ में. दैट वन कॉन्फिडेंस वेरी फ्यू पीपल हैव, बिकॉज we can see people in physical form,
yeah.
but people remaining in your life in emotional form, people living in your life in knowledge form, people living in your life in growth form, in guidance form, there will be very few in life of people.
Yeah.
तो ये जो आप बात बोल रहे हो ना, ये सच है कि जब तुम वापस जाती हो तो तुम्हें ये कॉन्फिडेंस होता है कि आई विल बी गाइडेड, आई विल गेट एन आंसर, आई एम ग्रोइंग इन माई नॉलेज. That confidence keeps us going in our spiritual path and the physical path. So everybody's life is almost similar in the way of pain, because God has created pain, pleasure in the same form for humans. But knowing that there is somebody to help me, to listen to me, to talk to me, or even guide me can make a paradigm shift.
Yes.
And that's what healing is all about. Healing means you are completely growing in every attribute of your life, be it your money, be it your family, be it your work, be it yourself. हम जैसे अभी उस बच्ची ने बोला कि 11 साल से मैं एक ज्वेलरी का पीस लेने के लिए सोच रही थी, कपड़े लेने के लिए. समटाइम्स वी आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग फॉर एवरीबडी, बट वी आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग फॉर अस. and that mere one myself is so missing. 11 साल की भूख अपने आप की. And I'm glad that that joy, that happiness came on that child's face, because it's not just about healing, it's about getting back yourself. So that piece of gold is actually not gold. She got
That
herself
confidence.
back. It was like
Yeah.
she purchased herself something, myself. तो ये जो सेल्फ फुलफिलमेंट है ना, ये हर एक चीज में जॉय का कारण बनती है, और सेल्फ गैप ही हर एक चीज में पेन का कारण बन जाता है. So Ketki's journey was also from self gap to self love, and today she's helping so many people heal. And she's also a 5D mystic who spreads this happiness of 5D healing for free to people. And Ketki, anything you would like to add in the end?
I would just say, don't worry, be happy.
I
Universe is there to help you. It's always giving its hand. We just need to hold it.
I double it. I double it.
Yeah.
So no doubts about it कि आप हाथ पकड़ने को तैयार हो, यूनिवर्स अपने आप देने को तैयार है. So thank you, Ketki. It was such a beautiful and a deep conversation with you, from the
Thank you,
journey
Ma.
of pain to self growth. And I really wish you and Nirvan and each one of us the best of luck, because you're
Yes.
not different from the family. You
Yes,
are also
same.
family.
Yeah.
As you
Part
grow,
of it.
we grow together. So
Yes,
thank you
Ma.
so much. Thank you so
Thank you, Ma.
much. God
Thank you
bless
so
you.
much. Thank you, Ma.